Zeta Marie. Zeta? Hey. Does the Zeta like guinea? Hi, Zeta Marie. Are you a guinea pig? Are you a guinea pig? Is Zeta a little baby guinea pig? Oh, yes? Yes? Do you want to talk, Zeta? Zeta. Hi. Do you like your hay, Zeta Marie? Yeah? Is the gay pig talking? Who are you talking? Hi. Hey, baby, baby, baby. Are you my Zeta? Do you like the thought of having a sister? Zeta, you are so cute. Yes, we might get you a sister. And you have to share your loving and your precious hay, along with your food. You have to share mom's lovings too. It's like you're saying no, 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 no. Is there a gay pig translator, Zeta? Are you eating your bedding or are you eating your poop, Zeta? Yes, are you eating your poop? Oh. Do you like how the tablet tastes? I gave you a kiss. Are you gonna be mad because you had to share your lovings with your sister? Are you mad about that? How tall are you, Zeta? No, you can't have my tablet. Oh, what are you gonna do if I can't talk? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What do you think? No, you can't have my tablet, Zeta. Do you know what no means? Do you understand what the word no means? Is that your full name? Is your full name Zeta Marie? You don't know how to. Do you know how to operate? Do you know how to search? Do you know how to use your paws? Do you know how to use your paws? Here, Zeta. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, you like it, don't you? Yeah? Did you really just like my tablet? Hi, Zeta Marie. How are you doing? Hey, Zeta.